And on the 8th day, God looked down on his planned paradise and said, I need a caretaker. So God made a farmer.
We are in an exciting new age of agriculture, one in which operations are growing every day to impressive sizes. Yet with that, the number of operations is dwindling. Family farms have been the backbone of American agriculture for over 100 years, yet now they are dying off at alarming rates. The USDA's Census of Agriculture reports a loss of over 140,000 farms from 2017 to 2022, just 5 years, and a loss of 3.7 million farms since 1950. My own family is part of that statistic. For nearly a century, generations before me have farmed dairy cattle in central Wisconsin. While our operations ended before I was born, my grandpa's always been happy to share memories of that time in his life.
Okay, we got married in August 20th, 1964 in Merrill, Wisconsin. I was a farmer for, 40 years. I imagine because we bought this place, I better make a living on it.
While the decision to stop farming was a hard one, he reminisces on that time of his life fondly and considers farming to be one of his greatest accomplishments.
I made a living on the farm. Wasn't the easiest, but I stayed at it.
Long after the cattle left and the barn began collecting dust, my grandparents stayed living on the farm, filling it with love and laughter. Now's a bittersweet time, as we empty the house and prepare to move my grandparents off the farm they've so cherished for nearly 60 years. While many may mourn the loss of so many farms, there's excitement to be had too. Now, better than ever, we can bridge the gap between producer and consumer, helping family farms stay alive through the power of social media. So get online, find a local producer, place an order or just give a follow. Every little bit really helps. Support family farms because they've dedicated their lives to supporting us.
It had to be somebody who'd plow deep and straight and not cut corners. Somebody to seed, weed, feed, breed, and rake and disc and plow and plant and tie the fleece and strain the milk and replenish the self-feeder and finish a hard week's work with a 5-mile drive to church. Somebody who'd bail a family together with the soft, strong bonds of sharing, who would laugh and then sigh and then reply with smiling eyes when his son says that he wants to spend his life doing what Dad does. So God made a farmer.